Now that we know how subscriptions work and what dashboards look like, I think it's time to take a look at everyone's favourite testing tool, paper trading. What you will learn in this video: what paper trading is, the importance of paper trading, the importance of paper trading accounts, and the difference between paper trading hoppers and paper trading accounts. As the name implies, paper trading is trading with fake funds. It's a way to practice and test your strategies without real-world consequences. Even with all the technical analysis knowledge of the world, you will need to test out your strategies before using them in a real trading environment. You can add fake funds into a paper trading hopper so that any losses that you might make trading won't actually hurt you financially. Users receive one free paper trading hopper per paid subscription. Paper trading can also simulate working with multiple paper trading accounts, though this is a paid edition unless you are a master user within the Cryptohopper Plus program. By now, you should know that Cryptohopper trades on your exchange, and paper trading simulates exactly that. So what happens if you create two paper trading hoppers and connect them to the same exchange? Exactly, they can use each other's funds. This is where paper trading accounts come in. Paper trading accounts simulate you having multiple exchange accounts, so that you can easily separate your paper trading hoppers. If you do want to use this same exchange in multiple hoppers, then you need a second paper trading account, as you will otherwise see the same funds in both paper trading hoppers. Paper trading with multiple accounts is very niche and only really required for advanced users that run multiple paper trading hoppers at once. If you are just starting out with Cryptohopper, then it's not required to get one. Keep in mind that because paper trading hoppers have infinite volume, its profit may differ from the regular hoppers. To recap, paper traders are fake money hoppers. You get one free paper trading bot per real subscription. It's used to test out strategies before deploying them to a live environment. Paper trading accounts simulate you having multiple exchange accounts, though paper trading accounts aren't really necessarily for new users. It's essential to know how paper trading works if you want to be a successful trader. Let's quickly move on to the next video about setting up Cryptohopper.